want any person in this room to go home and say, I picked an insurance company over you. How are you going to explain that?
In this question, House Bill 1463 is declared failed.
A measure to provide patients with cheaper health care fell short this week. That proposal would have required insurance companies to cover the extra costs of seeing out-of-network doctors.
That's if there weren't enough in-network options available during a contract dispute. The bill also would have limited fines on insurance companies for violating state law.
There's no accountability to insurance companies. Why did they hire every insurance lobbyist that they could find, and half the people that don't even lobby insurance are coming out of like ants out of the woodwork? It's not a small thing to take on insurance companies.
That's the Pritzker administration slap insurance companies with unlimited fines during a market conduct exam. But those investigations are kept private until after they're finished, and lawyers for insurance companies can drag them out and contest them.